He's crazy.
He's crazy.
Is he a crazy doggy?
Uncle, stop. Why are you doing the dog?
I'm taking a video.
Here's all my stuff. Look, a bumblebee.
I see.
My bumblebee.
No, Darwin. That's not yours. That's yours.
He's ripping apart.
Yep, that's what he does. That's how Darwin plays.
And plays.
Yep.
He's
So
so
grabbing her pup on
boy.
the floor. It's over on the table over there.
Did you get it? Is it open?
What Caillou used to do. Still does a little bit.
Open it.
He's working on it. Oh, maybe he got bored.
It's very yucky. It's very yucky.
It's very yucky.
Very yucky.
Are you done with your duck? We'll get it again later.